everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria, I am an artist and I paint on clothes. Last week I shared with you the first experience of painting on hoodie and I loved it, so I decided to continue to paint on hoodies. And in this video I will paint lion on the hoodie, but it won't be a simple lion design but something very creative. So watch this video until the end to see the result. And also subscribe to my channel for more hand painting clothing videos. So, let's begin! Thanks for watching! Hit the like button. Many unique hand painted clothing you can find in my Etsy shop. I put the link down below. If you have any questions, write to me. I will be happy to answer. See you, bye bye!